Been a few hours, but it felt like days. Only been days, but it felt like months. Been gone for a year, only know like once. Life move fast when you do what you want. I guess I'm doing what I want.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I go by the name of Sarkhan Sisinyi, popular known as Intrinsic Bile. And yeah guys, I'm here just to say guys, I'm here with you. Just wanted to introduce this vlog, and if you're a new subscriber, hi baby, hi sweetheart, I hope you're gonna like it here. And if you're a regular subby, hi sweetheart, and I'm glad that you are back here. And yeah, I just wanted to introduce this vlog. And guys, I just received my package. I bought shoes on Nike, and obviously I'm gonna show you guys what I got, right? And please guys, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel, because wow, there's a lot that needs to be done. There's a lot going on, right? So yeah, please guys, please stay tuned and leave a heart in the comment to show me that you here and you liked it. So bye.
Ibigir mo ngayon ako hijau hybrid.
Nagsama. Karena sabi lagi seteru.
Yes. Wala ko. Kaya ako naliluri mo.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. I don't have much to say. I'm driving now, and yeah guys, I don't know what I'm gonna do, but let's just hope everything goes well. And yeah guys, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, I don't know, I think that's it. And please guys, just leave a heart down below if you to show me that you are here, right? Yeah, just leave a heart. And yeah, bye sweetheart. Hi guys, I welcome you back onto the vlog. So guys, it's currently 8 o'clock and I'm not doing much. I'm just watching YouTube. And yeah, I think some of you are asking yourself where I am, what I'm doing. Guys, I'm in Mafikeng because I had a dentist appointment. I have to do a filling and a canal routine. So we ended up not doing it because of some reasons, but I have to consult another doctor. They said I must come to Mafikeng, but I already spent much. I don't know if I'll come back here, but I think I'm gonna consult with the other doctor. They said that my other tooth have infection, right? So I need to attend that as soon as possible. That means maybe on Monday or Tuesday I have to make an appointment there where I stay, right? And yeah, I don't know, guys, I don't know. I just wanted to update you all on how I've been doing. And yeah, that's all. Please, so that's all for now. We'll talk.
Kamu coba kira traffic. Bukan nggak tuh
Hi guys, subscribe to my channel.
Hi guys, subscribe to
Her channel.
her channels.
Don't forget to like, comment,
Don't forget to like, comment,
and show intrinsic below.
intrinsic delay.
Yes.
Follow her, make her trend.
Yeah.
Hello. What's your name? Coco.
How to mohiri ba bua ka dilo tse di so? Hello. Wakadlatle.
Get me a Google the
Hello. Hello.
Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Welcome to another day onto the vlog. Because wow, so guys, we are room hunting for next year because the girl needs to get herself a room. The girl needs to get herself a room. Hi guys, welcome to another day onto the vlog. So guys, I'm here to give you a quick update and I'm gonna be closing up this vlog. So guys, I just realized that maybe some of you, okay, I left you hanging, right? So I'm gonna explain everything to you, my people. So guys, like you said yesterday, we went for room hunting. So this is how it works. Like your first year, yeah, they give you accommodation, right? So the following year, that's when you have to move and get yourself your own room or yeah, because where I am now, there's no those apartments. They are flats and a bit pricey and way too far from work. Okay, it is a problem because like you have to travel every day and it's a bit dangerous here. So I had a room, or no, someone recommended me a room, so I was looking for extra, like in case I don't like that one, because I never saw it, I guess. Yeah, so the others didn't get the room and I managed to go and see that room they recommended for me, and yeah, I like it. It's big, like it's big. I think I can manage, like you can even get a sofa in there. So I'm thinking of getting it, since well we didn't go well to yesterday, right? So yeah, the other thing, I feel like I have already know the vision. I already have the vision of how I want the room to be, and it's gonna be next year. And guess what? I'm taking you guys along. Yes, you guys gonna be with me when I decorate my room from nothing to something, right? So yeah, guys, the vlog is all over the place, but I'm starting a new vlog next week, and let's hope everything goes well. I think it's gonna be a few minutes, but let's just hope it's gonna be okay. You guys gonna like it, right? And yeah, it's Saturday today, and we went room hunting Friday, and the weather isn't looking good. So I just wanted to update you guys, and that's all from me to you. And please guys, please send a heart in the comment section. Please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Show me love, engage guys, and please follow me on my other account, which is Instagram at intrinsicbile, and my TikTok at intrinsicbile27. I have 2 accounts on TikTok, which is intrinsicbile and intrinsicbile27. So yeah guys, do the right thing. The rain start to be aggressive, so yeah.